Good morning, everyone. We are the Group 4. Today, we will discuss our seat work about the chain rule. Number 1. F of x is equal to 3x plus 5 raised to 2/3. First, I'll just write the y is equal to u raised to 2/3 and then u is equal to 3x plus 5. First, kinuha ko lang yung derivatives ng dy, which is the derivative of u raised to 2/3 is equal to 2/3 times u raised to negative 1/3. And then, kinuha ko yung derivatives ng u, which is 3x plus 5 is the derivatives, and yung derivatives niya is 3. And then, I'll just multiply the y and u, which is 2/3 times u raised to negative 1/3 times 3. And then, I just cancel out the 3 and yung nakuha kong sagot is 2 times 3x plus 5 raised to negative 1/3 or 2 over the cube root of 3x plus 5. Number 2, f of x is equal to the square root of 2x minus 5 over 3x plus 1. First, I'll just rewrite the equation, which is 2x minus 5 over 3x plus 1 raised to 1/2. First, yung una kong ginawa is dinerive ko yung x, which is the derivative of 2x minus 5 is equal to 2. And then yung derivative ng y, which is 3x plus 1 is equal to 3. And then, I'll just ginawa ko yung chain rule, which is kaya naging 1/2 times 2x minus 5 over 3x plus 1 raised to negative 1/2. And then, gumamit ako ng chain rule, quotient rule, para ma-multiply yung gamit yung formula ng UDV ay VDU minus UDV over V squared. And then yung 3x plus 1 times 2 minus 2x minus 5 times 3 over 3x plus 1 squared. And then I'll just cancel out the 6x. And then I'll just multiply the 1/2 times 17 over 3x plus 1 squared. And then, nireciprocal ko lang yung 1, yung square root of 2x minus 5 over 3x plus 1 over 1. And yung nakuha kong reciprocal niya is 1 over square root of 2x minus 5 over 3x plus 1. And then, pinag-multiply ko lang siya sa 17 over 2 times 3x plus 1 squared. Then, nakuha ko yung sagot na 17 over 2 times 3x plus 1 squared times the square root of 3x plus 1 over 2x minus 5.
G of y equals y squared plus 3 to the power of 1/3 times y cubed minus 1 to the power of 1/2. And then, i-derive lang natin tong y squared plus 3 to the power of 1/3. Yung exponent is ma-minus natin ng 1. Tapos magiging siya, negative 2/3. And then yung mismong value ng u is magiging 1/3 parenthesis y squared plus 3 parenthesis to the power of negative 2/3 times 2y. And then 2y over 3 parenthesis y squared plus 3 parenthesis to the power of negative 3 equals 2y over 3 parenthesis y squared plus 3 parenthesis to the power of 2/3. And then, ganun lang din sa gagawin natin sa kabila, which is i-derive lang natin 1/2 parenthesis y cubed minus 1 parenthesis to the power of negative 1/2 times 3y. And then, substitute lang natin. 3y over 2 parenthesis y cube minus 1, parenthesis parenthesis to the power of negative 1/2 equals 3y over 2 parenthesis y cube minus 1, parenthesis to the power of 1/2. And ipaproduct lang natin UdV plus VdU. Yung y squared plus 3 to the power of 1/3. And then, ito ring 3y over 2 parenthesis y cube minus 1 parenthesis to the power of 1/2 plus parenthesis y cube minus 1 parenthesis to the power of 1/2. Ito tapos ito yung 2y over 3 parenthesis 1/2 plus 3 parenthesis to the power of 2/3. And then yung pinaka final na answer is y prime equals 3y y squared parenthesis y squared plus 3 parenthesis to the power of 1/3 over 2 parenthesis y squared minus 1 parenthesis to the power of 1/2 plus 2y parenthesis y cube minus 1 parenthesis to the power of 1/2 over 3 parenthesis y squared plus 3 parenthesis to the power of 3 to the power of 2/3. G of x equals 4x plus 6 over square root of x squared plus 3x plus 4. And then ito turn lang natin sila to yung pinaka-derivative nila. du equals 4, dv equals 2x plus 3, 2 square root of x squared plus 3x plus 4. And then i-quotient rule lang natin, udv minus udv minus vdu over r squared. And then pagsasama-samahin lang natin sila lahat. Square root of x squared plus 3x plus 4 times 4. And then ma-minus natin siya sa 4x plus 6. And then yung 2x plus 3 over 2 square root of x squared plus 3x plus 4 over x squared plus 3x plus 4 squared. And then maglalagay lang tayo ng both. Itong nasa harapan ilalagay lang natin sa likod, tapos i-solve na natin. Itong yung nasa baba ng 2x plus 3 is i-cancel out lang natin since parehas naman silang magkaparehas. And then i-bring down na lang natin yung doon, yung mga natira, which is equals 8 parenthesis x squared plus 3x plus 4 minus 4x plus 6 and 2x plus 3 over 2 square root of x squared plus 3x plus 4.
For number 5, f of x is equal to the square root of 9 plus the square root of 9 minus x. Una, pinaghiwalay ko lang yung equation, which is the square root of 9 and the square root of 9 minus x, and then dinerive ko lang yung bawat isa, which is the square root of 9 is equal to 0 and the square root of 9 minus x is equal to negative 1. And then yung equation is nirewrite ko lang as 3 plus 9 minus x raised to 1/2. And then kinuha ko yung chain rule, which is kaya naging 1/2 times 9 minus x raised to negative 1/2. And then pinag-multiply ko lang yung nakuha ko kaninang derivative, which is negative 1, and yung nakuha kong chain rule, which is 1 over 2 square root of 9 minus x, and yung naging sagot is negative 1 over 2 square root of 9 minus x.
For the number 6, y is equals to square root of u then u is equal to square root of x. Just substitute the u in the equation of y is equals to square root of u. This will become y prime is equals to square root of x raised to 1/2. Then this will become x raised to 1/4. Apply the power rule, bring down 1/4, then minus 1 in the exponent. The answer will be negative 3/4. Then the final answer will be y prime is equals to 1 over 4x raised to 3/4. For the number 7, y is equals to square root of x squared plus 9 at the point of 4 and 5. The first step is to make the square root to 1/2 and put it in the exponent, then use the derivatives of power rule to solve it. Y prime is equals to x squared plus 9 raised to 1/2. Then apply the power rule, 1/2 multiplied by x squared plus 9, then minus 1. The exponent will become negative 1/2. Then write the derivative of inside and multiply it to the 1/2. 1/2 multiplied by 2x is 1x. Arrange each number and constant. The x squared plus 9 raised to negative 1/2 can be also on the denominator. This can also become square root, so the answer is y prime is equal to x over square root of x squared plus 9. To apply the slope formula, you need to find mt or the tangent slope. First step is to substitute the 4 in x of the equation, then apply the slope formula. The equation will be y is equal to 4 over square root of 4 squared plus 9. Solve it, and then you will have the mt is equals to 4 over 5. Apply the formula of point of slope form y minus y sub 1 equals to mt multiplied by x minus x sub 1. Substitute each numbers into their right spot, then multiply both sides by 5. The equation will be 5y minus 25 equals to 4 multiplied by x minus 4. This will become 4x minus 16 because we multiply the x minus 4 to the 5 to the 4. We multiply both sides by 5 to cancel the denominator of the mt. Transpose and solve the final equation. The final equation will be 4x minus 5y plus 9 equals to 0. The 9 come from the difference of 25 minus 16, and that's it for the number 7. And for the number 8, y is equals to x squared of 16 plus x squared at point 0, 0. First step is to apply the rule y prime is equals to square root of 16 plus x squared plus 2x. The square root will become 1/2, then multiply it to the 16 plus x squared, then minus 1 into the exponent. This will become negative 1/2, then find the derivative of inside, which is 2x. Then multiply it to the 1/2. The answer will be 16 plus 2x squared over square root of 16 plus x squared. Then substitute the point 0, 0. This will become 4, and our mt is 4. Then find the normal slope. The formula for this is negative over mt. Then our normal slope will become negative 1/4. Apply the formula of slope of normal line, y minus y sub 1 equal to mt multiplied by x minus x sub 1. Substitute, then multiply both sides for to cancel the denominator of the fraction. Then our equation will be 4y minus 0 equals to negative 1 multiplied to x minus 0. This will become negative 1x plus 0. Then finally transpose each number to their final equation. And our final equation will be x plus 4y equals 0. And that's it for the number 8.